Alright guys, so welcome to my channel once again. So real quick, in this video we'll be looking at price update for LCX. So LCX is one of the solid projects I've covered in my YouTube videos for a while now, and yeah, the project is here to stay. So LCX broke the support area with Drew. In the last video I posted about LCX, we were talking about this support key level of support area, which is 35 cents. So unfortunately LCX was unable to hold that support area very well, and eventually broke down the support area. So for now, for the immediate short term, LCX is in a downtrend right now. Looking at the 200-day EMA, LCX is trading below the 200-day EMA, and we have a very area, like, let me just say, key level of resistance here also, which is around 26 cents. You understand? So the moment LCX is breaking above the 26 cents and closing few hourly candles above the 26 cent price area, I'll be going long on LCX, like, seriously. And for now we just have to watch and look at what's happening in the market. So as you can see on this volume area, you will notice we have a yellow line right here, and that area is an area of high liquidity. You understand? That area signify an area where a lot of buying and selling is taking place. So we can say, if you ask me, we can say it's a consolidation phase area. It's an area that particular area indicates where there are large investors. You understand? Large activities taking place. You understand? Either pump or dump activities. So we have to take note of that area very well. The moment LCX is closing few hourly candles above this particular area, you understand, I think it should in kind of trade and hit 26 cents. So if you're a day trader and you know how to trade futures trading, you understand, good, I will say you should in kind of go long the moment LCX close above that yellow area. I think the price should be around 24 cents, right? Yeah, so the moment LCX close few hourly candles above that area, I think LCX should be heading to 26, and then we should expect either a bounce back or a close of few hourly candles above that 26 cent area. So I will be going long personally the moment LCX close few hourly candles above 26 cent area. Yeah, so that's it. Let's just check CoinMarketCap real quick to see what's up. So looking at CoinMarketCap right now, LCX is down 4% in the last 24 hours. The price is currently trading at around 23 cents, 4% in the last 24 hours. On the watch list of 24,000 persons, currently ranked number 366 on the CoinMarketCap ranking out of 14,000 cryptocurrency in the CoinMarketCap space. Now here's the thing, LCX is having a very low market cap that can easily go 30x. See, like, you already know, we don't exaggerate on this channel. You understand? Looking at LCX market cap right now, if you're a long-term holder, LCX should be a project you should look out for. You understand? Because looking at the market cap right now, it's below $200 million market cap, and LCX can easily get to 30x. You understand? Good. And here's the thing, looking at the circulating supply, which is 739 million LCX in circulation, and that's almost 90%, if I'm not mistaken, 90% of the total supply, because the total supply, maximum supply, is around 950 million LCX token. So looking at the circulating supply right now, which is 739 million LCX token, it can easily get to 30x. You understand? And that should take the price to around $1 or $2 thereabout, or $3. You understand? You have to check my previous video out where I made the detailed potential price target for LCX. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Please permit me to bring those new to this project up to speed real quick, because there are a lot of people that are new to this project. So LCX is built on Ethereum blockchain, And as you can see here at the market, you can get LCX. You can get it on Coinbase. LCX USDT pair, you can get it on Uniswap, Liquid, Shishi Swap, Probit Global, X OX Protocol, Vindax, Hotbit, Hit BTC, Fat BTC, LAT Token, Hit BTC, Dodo, Index, and LCX Exchange. Yeah, so that's why I want to bring those new to this project up to speed. So a lot of people don't know what LCX is. So LCX is also an exchange, and if you missed out on Binance, I've said this times without number, if you missed out on Binance coin, you shouldn't take LCX coin for granted, and also crypto.com token, you shouldn't take those tokens for granted. And also I just mentioned a few, you understand. MSC token is there, KuCoin token is there, you understand. You shouldn't take all those centralized exchange token for granted. So LCX is yet to be to get listed on Binance. So just imagine the exposure is going to get after it get listed on Binance. Like, the exposure is going to be massive. So LCX is a regulated and a secure trading platform where you can buy and sell or store cryptocurrency, you understand. So they have a native token called LCX with the ticker symbol of LCX, you understand. So it's an Ethereum token used to pay for fees on LCX exchange, a centralized exchange for security, token sale, and also cryptocurrency. So it can also be used to power other LCX products such as the LCX terminal, which lets users trade across multiple exchanges, and also DeFi terminal. So yeah, that's just it, you understand. So the thing is, they offer an advanced charting and also limit order built on the top of Uniswap. So that's a welcome development, and you can go read more about LCX. I will leave the link to their website, also their Twitter page, in the description of this video. And please don't miss out. And the thing is, if you really want to make it big in this crypto space, you have to focus more on the long-term goal, you understand. If you want to be a day trader, and also be a hodler, you understand. It will really help you. I always say something in my video before I end it: please always avoid FOMOing into trade. Yeah, you might get lucky sometimes, but most of the times the token you are FOMOing into to buy might end up dumping on you, you understand. But for LCX, now if you ask me, now might be the right time to buy. Actually, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a content creator and animal scientist. So whatever I say in this video is strictly my opinion. But looking at what's it called? Looking at LCX performance right now, you can tell it's getting ready, you understand, for the next leg up. Like, it hasn't dumped from the price it started with, which is 0.0002. So getting LCX at this price now, if you ask me, I would say it's on a discount price, you understand. So you have to make your decision, invest the amount you can afford to lose, please. And if you're maybe planning to go long or go short on futures trading, please always manage your risks. And for me, I always advise you use 10x leverage or 20x leverage, yeah, to avoid storage that touches, you understand, except you know what you are doing. Like, if you know you're going to win the trade, then you can go with more leverages. So let's just check the holders. I think since it's dumping, okay, can you imagine, like, I think smart money are gradually in kind of getting into this project right now, because looking at the holders right now, the statistic in the last 7 days, you will notice from 18th of November we've been witnessing some increase in holders, you understand, which is a welcome development. And yeah, so let's just check it out. On 18th of November we gained 18th of November, okay, 10,080. 19th of November 10,100, 20th of November 10,127, okay, 10,100. Yeah, we lost some holders here. 21st of November. So on the 22nd of November, at the time of making this video, we gained a little bit of holders. So you guys have to just invest the amount you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is very risky, so you have to take note of the key level of resistance we discussed in this video. Actually, this project is down right now. Let's call it a spade, and also the overall cryptocurrency market cap is down right now. We've lost 500 billion US dollars from the overall cryptocurrency market cap. The market cap is currently at 2.5 trillion dollars. So looking at the overall cryptocurrency right now, as you can see, we're witnessing a serious deep bloodbath. I call this a bloodbath, you understand? So Bitcoin is down 3%. A lot of tokens are down here, so not just LCX. So yeah, so that is it. I don't intend making this video lengthy. My name is Isaac. In case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. As always, give this video a thumbs up, drop your potential price target in the description of this video, what you think about the project. As always, peace out, stay out of trouble.